Arriving at court in Amsterdam, where 4 people are on trial for the murder of their relatives thousands of kilometres away. In the coming weeks, judges will hear, in person or remotely, from dozens of people who lost loved ones on Malaysian Airlines flight MH17. First up was Ria van der Steen, whose father and stepmother were killed.
They're lying. We know they're lying. And they know that we know that they're lying.
She started by accusing Russia of hiding its role in the downing of the plane. Then she spoke of the psychological impact.
For years, I have tried to come to terms with death and losing my beloved father and Nell. I don't know if I'll ever manage to do it. I'm doing my best to let things go. But at the same time, I'm absolutely full of feelings of hate, of revenge, of anger and fear. Fear that we do not obtain justice.
The passenger plane was flying from Amsterdam to Kuala Lumpur when it was shot down over eastern Ukraine in July 2014. 298 people were killed. International investigators concluded it had been hit by a Russian surface-to-air missile fired by pro-Russian rebels. Moscow denies all responsibility. 3 Russians and a Ukrainian citizen first went on trial in absentia in March last year. Russian Igor Girkin is one of the accused. He's reportedly an ex-colonel in Russia's secret services and served as defense minister in the self-declared Donetsk People's Republic in 2014.
The court notes that defendants Girkin, Dubinsky and Karchenko have not appeared.
Of the 4, Russian Oleg Pulatov is the only one to be represented by lawyers here. They've said he denies the charges. The Russian government has refused to extradite any suspects. But for the victims' relatives, this was a chance to address whoever was responsible.
Next to the verdict, this is one of the most important days for the family members, because they can speak to the court, but through speaking to the court, they speak to the suspects and also to the responsible people, wherever they are hiding.
Last week, investigators appealed to Russia to come forward with information about the deployment of the missile they believe downed MH17. This complex case is expected to continue into next year. Nadim, Al Jazeera.